Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add friends on Duolingo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is first of all go ahead access a particular Duolingo app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of home interface gonna appear, right? So for here in the section you're gonna tap on this particular profile icon of yours here in this avatar, and then you can find this add friends option, right? Go ahead, tap on it. Now you can go ahead find your friends by simply tapping on this find contacts. Tap on this allow. Now it will access your contacts for you, and you're gonna find the contacts that is available on your Duolingo that is also matched with your contacts. You can tap on this plus icon beside it is a human plus icon, and it will add them. Other is connect to Facebook. If you tap on it, your Duolingo will be connected to your Facebook. All of the friends you have on Facebook and the friends that have access to your Duolingo as well, they will be available over here, just like over here in the contact. And then you can tap on that icon beside and you can add them. Other thing would be if you want a particular person to be added on, you can tap on this invite friends and tap on this more options and simply copy a particular link, or you can simply share it to your friends, or tap on this text message and share that link to your friends, and then they will tap on it, create themselves an account, join to Duolingo, and you can add them just like that afterwards. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.